Alright, here's part 4. Rebuilding a Raptor engine, 5 horsepower. We're gonna lap the valves. Got the lapping compound. Just buy it, anywhere. Got the lapping tool. What this does is it feeds the valve real good into the seat, and it's like they marry each other. They butt up perfectly, and just a little something adds a little every little step of the way, shaving the eyebrows, toning the cylinder wall, lapping the valve, putting another carburetor, putting a cam. It all turns into one mean machine when you're done. Just wanted to show you about lapping the valve, how simple and easy it is. Just takes a little elbow grease, back and forth motion. I'd say about 5 minutes each valve, give or take. We're doing the exhaust valve right now. This is the swing suppressor. I might end up putting valves in today, I'm not sure. Depends on how we feel. But that's it. Lapping compound. Right here. Valve. Grinding compound is what it's called, but everybody's got different words. Auto parts store. The tool. Auto parts store. And just a little elbow grease. Back and forth, back and forth. Now, when you want to do this, let me give you a little advice. Buy you a new set of valves. Don't do this to your old valves. Buy yourself a new set of valves and do it. And you'll appreciate it in the long run. Alright, so that's part 4. Obviously, I ain't going to waste any more of your time. I got a little work to do. Little elbow grease here. And I'll see you guys in part 5.